Welcome to the Simplified Uplifters Marriage Mastery Podcast, where we focus on self-awareness, emotional healing, and building stronger relationships, starting with you. Today, we're talking about something many people overlook when trying to heal or improve relationships: your nervous system. Because if your body doesn't feel safe, your mind won't feel free. Let's begin. Survival mode doesn't turn off automatically. Many people think survival mode ends when the situation changes. It doesn't. Survival mode ends when the body learns safety again. That's why you stay tense. Even when things are calm, you overthink neutral moments. You feel on edge without knowing why. Your nervous system learned these responses to protect you. The problem isn't that you're broken. It's that your body is still responding to old threats. Question: how was safety defined for you? Understand, safety is learned, not assumed. Some learned. Silence meant peace. Compliance meant approval. Hyper-awareness meant survival. Others learned. Emotions caused trouble. Needs led to disappointment. Vulnerability meant exposure. These lessons don't disappear with age. They live in the body. Our couple, Simone and Caleb. Survival before marriage. Simone learned safety by staying emotionally alert. If she anticipated needs, she avoided conflict. Caleb learned safety by staying emotionally quiet. If he stayed small, he avoided criticism. Different strategies. Same nervous system goal: avoid pain. Neither realized they were surviving, not choosing. This is why awareness matters. How do we recognize the signs? Our nervous system is still driving. Survival mode shows up as over-explaining, shutting down, people-pleasing, emotional numbness, constant self-monitoring. Healing doesn't start with changing behavior. It starts with creating safety. So we must begin regulating before relating. Safety practices include slowing your breathing, naming sensations, pausing before responding, offering self-soothing instead of self-criticism. This is how Simone learns to soften vigilance. This is how Caleb learns to stay present. Regulation is self-love in action. As we close out today, recognize you don't heal by forcing yourself to feel safe. You heal by teaching your body that safety is possible. And most important, remember, you are extraordinary